you do?
I drive.
Like a limo drive?
Like from movies.
Oh. You mean all the car chases and stuff?
Yeah.
Like danger?
What's good? What's good? What's good? It's good. 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 It's mega money Monday. That's right. That's right. It's never been so big. It's never been so mega. But it's Monday. And we're doing it live. What's good? What's good? What's good? We back. Like we never left. Like we never fucking left, boys. Right now, the Nasdaq making a big move overnight. Wow. Wow, look at that. From the 27,900 area all the way down there, 27,665. And then right back up. So, wow. Interesting. So very interesting. Guys, listen to me. Everybody listen. See this right here? The Ninja Trader Cup? $250,000 in prizes. It's free to enter. It's free to enter. It's free to enter. Right? You'd be silly not to enter. And I say that in the most respectful way. Obviously. Big shout out to Ninja Trader putting on the biggest and the largest. Obviously. You gotta love them. You gotta love them. So, who wants to win? Who wants to be on top? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But everybody wants to win. That's all I do know. I do know that. Everybody trying to make a little bit of money. Make a little bit of money. We're here. I'm back. And I never left. I never left, chat. I never left. Last night we were trading I traded last night, made a little bit of money. I got these Lucid accounts. These are my Lucid funded accounts, these 5 accounts, and then we traded some evals as well last night for the little Sunday night. So we're up like a $6,000 in the funded accounts today. So $6,000 in the funded accounts. It's time to make some money. Welcome back, Mega Money Monday. If you guys miss me, well, you're gonna get a lot of me because guess what? I'm back. My guy got no sleep. Oh, I got sleep. I went to bed last night at 11, sir. I went to bed at 11. Right now it's 5:45. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna be okay. All right, let's not worry about me. Let's worry about you. Let's worry about you, sir. It's you that we should be worried about, all right? That's right, you. You. Hey, you. hey, you. Hey, you. As you can see right here, this is the Arena Cup qualifier. Real cash payouts, grand prize, grand prize, $5,000. Guess what we got today? Uh-oh. I don't think people are ready for this. I don't think they're ready for this, baby, because we got the wings. We're gonna get the wings going here. All right. Sometimes if you want the market to go up, you need Red Bull. I want to see some new. Well, not new. I want to see some BDH traders. Who's gonna win it? If a BDH trader wins the Ninja Arena Cup, bro, I'll fly you out to the BDH, honestly. If we got a BDH champion in the Arena Cup, I'm gonna fly you out to maybe to the West Coast BDH. How about that? Come on, win it for me, K Money. Come on, let's win it. Let's win it. BDH, I want to see BDH. James DayTrader said he loves the 450. Sir, well, I like the 450 too. You see, there's something about that 450 just gets me excited, you know? I call her Big Booty Judy. That's Big Booty Judy, my friend. She's a big old bitch. But she rides. She rides out, man. She rides. Ride, big booty, you ride. We gotta ride, booty, you ride. This is a little video. This is when I pulled into the house. I pulled into the house after driving from Florida, driving to the desert. Most people would not leave Florida to go where I went, but don't worry. It's not forever. It's just a short time. It's going to be a fun time, not a long time. Who drove the other trucks? The Ranger was already out here in storage, and then I'm getting my Bronco and my F-250 shipped out. So we're here, West Coastin'. We livin', baby. We livin'. I'm trying to get Coach Dakota to do a little charity boxing match. You know, a little fun, little bit of fun. Come on, Dakota, let's go, baby boy, let's go together. What else? Oh, this was crazy. Oh no, this guy, a different guy. Some guy messaged me and said that he saw me on the road, but then this guy, he made $6,800 in the month of April because of the BDH. Yes, we went to Cracker Barrel. Yes, it was terrible, like always, but that's why you gotta love it. That's why you gotta love it. That's why you gotta love it. We did have a steak. I saw Jerome was at the press conference. Went to Waffle House as well. Waffle House. And then I was like a trucker, bro. I was like a real semi-truck driver. Look at me. Just semi-truck driving. Real guy. I'm a real boy. I'm a real driver. Look at them wheels. Look at the BDH in the wheels. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my Lord. They spin. They spin. So when you're going down the road, the BDH is always perfectly flat. You got to love that. Don't you just love that? It's a cool feature. Only the BDH has that feature. Nobody else. Nobody else has that feature. Is Jerome with me? No, no. I would never never let Jerome come with me anywhere. The guy's dangerous. He's a hazard for himself. He's a hazard for himself. What camera do I use to live stream? I would tell you, but it's this top secret camera, so I can't tell you. Sorry. Right now, so we had, obviously this candle right here makes everything very interesting, right? Because we took out all these lows, we pulled all the way back into this area here, pushed right back up. So I'm interested to see, will we make new highs once again? Very similar to Friday's move. Do we get a pump? Do we get a big pump here at open again? 28,000 ain't far away. I feel like 28,000 is very doable here today. Very doable. So we'll see what happens. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. 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 The blue line on the chart is the 21 EMA. 21 EMA on this chart, because normally I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. So, yeah, it's kind of the EMA that I use there. So this is looking kind of interesting. Like, you know, maybe we get more momentum to the upside here through this 880 level back up in the 900s, and then you got 28,000 to the upside there. So it's looking interesting. It's looking very, very interesting. That's right. We got some big giveaways going on here today. We got a lot of stuff to do. We got the Arena Cup to talk about. We've got the biggest giveaway ever. We're giving away tons of accounts. That's right. Tons of accounts at onlyprofirms.com. Denny's got so many accounts to give away today. There's a link in the chat for the giveaways page. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we got 8 minutes here until 9 o'clock. If we can get above this 880 level, 920, 950, kind of looking very doable. One of those, right? We're looking like one of those. Looking like one of those, man. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm looking at the NinjaTrader Cup thing right now, right? And right now we've got if we look for day one, there's 1,300 people. We got to get those numbers up. We got to get them up, chat. We got to get 2,000, 3,000 people. Let's go. It's a free tournament to enter, by the way. It's free. You can't lose. You might win some money, you know? You might win some money, guys. You could earn a seat in the final round where the champion takes home $100,000. Shout out to NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. Arena, the battle is real. Denny said it's free and you could win money. Denny, I said that. You can't say what I say, Denny. Denny's trying to copy me now, chat. Denny's trying to copy me. He needs to get his own lines. Get your own words, Denny. Gosh. Gosh. Cracking my neck over here. Oh, buddy. Man, we killed it last night. We were trading last night for Sunday. I traded the 6 o'clock open, and then I came back and traded midnight as well. So we were killing it last night. If you guys missed out on the action, we did it live. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, I say. You gotta love it. This is the best too, man. Oh my Lord. Check this out. Check this out. You ready for this? Check this out. Check this out. Check it out. You ready for this? Check it out. 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 I gotta pull it up. One more moment here. One more moment. Let me find it. Let me find it. I think I sold at the exact top last night. I'm not even kidding right now. Look at this. I'm telling you, I sold at the exact fucking top, boys. The exact top. I didn't even post anything about it. Never mind. No post. Oh yeah, no. Look, I made this video last night. Check out this video. Look, I was live. Oh, it's too big. This is the trade that I had last night. LOL. 50 contracts long at the 935s. Look at that. I'm cracked out, chat. I'm cracked out here. This is at midnight last night, by the way. Fucking midnight. Doing this shit at midnight. You gotta love it. Look. Look where I sold at. Look where I sold at. 962 last night. You can't make this stuff up. You can't. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. Look at that. The high of the night is where I sold at. And then I went to bed. I went to the bed. Right now, the Nasdaq, big move down here. There must have been some news. What was the reason for that big drop? Who's got the news there? Was there data came out or something? Over in Europe or something? Wisdom of Wins says, haters gonna hate, but have no choice to continue to watch. This is true. This is true. This is true, man. Haters they got no other option. Iran said they hit a U.S. ship. And then the U.S. denied it. Wow, that would have been a great fucking spot to be short at. Crazy. Iran launched the attack. U.S. denies it. How does that work? How does that work? Iran's over there just making billions of dollars trading against the U.S. stock market. You know, Iran's like, all right, get short. Okay, we're short. Tweet about hitting the USA ship. Okay, cover. Get long. Get ready for the pump. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. We got oil above $100. Oil above 100, pulling back right now. Nasdaq pushing back up. So Nasdaq and oil very intertwined. You got a very intertwined market right here. You know, it's very intertwined. Look at that. That's the oil chart. Oil popped, pulled right back down. So oil overnight here popped up, pulled back. That 100 area has been a kind of support overnight here. So this is where we want to see oil at. For the Nasdaq to dump, we want to see oil below this yellow line at open. Is what I like to see. What's your view on that war? I mean, I think it's stupid either way. I don't know. What do you want me to say? You want me to say that all wars are bad and everybody's just needs to be friends? No, I think it's all just, the world's a fucked up place, man. It's a fucked up place. And there ain't really much to do about it. I think the best thing to do now is just try to make some money, enjoy your life, and then when the world ends, it ends. Can't think about it. Can't think about it. That's why I'm out here in the desert, man. Just go out in the desert. Get far away from everybody. You know, money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Someone says I need a banger this morning. Been going through the accounts like crazy. I don't know, man. I hope not. You can buy Jeffrey Epstein's island. No, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass on that. But thank you for the offer. I'm gonna pass. Thank you for that. Big jump, big dump this week. James, did you mean to say big jump this week? Is that your? Did you, James? I think you meant to write jump, right? You said big dump, but I think you meant to write big jump, sir. I think you wrote the wrong thing. You might want to check your spelling on that. Just kidding. Maybe it dumps, maybe it pops, maybe it drops. Who knows? Either way, guess what? We're gonna make some money. That's the best part about being a day trader is we don't have to be right about which way the market's going to go. We just have to trade it. So 28,000 or nothing today. Wow, we got a real winner in the chat. Right now, looking here at the oil chart. Oil, this area here kind of bouncing around. This was that big pop over 6 o'clock this morning. And you saw the reaction in Nasdaq. So Nasdaq sold off, it bounced, pushed back up here. I think if we can get above this level at open, then you're looking at 920, 950, 940. If we can't get above that level, well, pretty clear that we got some support down here for now. Maybe we pull back, bounce around there for a minute. Overall, we're just kind of in this like big range from Friday. This was that big nasty range Friday. Ding, 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 ding. Who traded the market open on Friday? Oh my Lord. Get long at open, sell 15 minutes, 30 minutes later, rich. 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 Pulling back here again hard. 27,800. See, could not get above the 850 area. So look back to 6 a.m. on Friday. Okay, 6 a.m. on Friday. What is it? Oh, it jumped. It dumped. Wow. It's like the market's telling us something. It's like the market's saying it's gonna go up because it went down on Friday. We'll see what happens. Anything's possible. I'd say we repaired that gap from the Sunday night open, that's for sure. Definitely repaired that gap. Oil pumped again from the 102s back to the 104s. Nasdaq right now just holding up here, 27,800. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here today. Mega Money Mondays. We're doing it live from the BDH. If you get rid of all this stuff, maybe this is like gonna be a big head and shoulders here today. Uh-oh. Is it a head and shoulders? What are we thinking? The unscripted film says, Patrick, do you have any regrets in your entire life? Yes. I regret ever calling ICT retarded. That was inappropriate, it was rude, and it was wrong. I never should have called him retarded because clearly he has Down syndrome, and that's just not nice to say. So, yes, I regret that. That's the one thing I regret. So, ICT, Michael Huddleston, if you're out there, if we're out there, I miss you. Call me sometimes. Let's talk. We can be friends again. We can be friends again. If the stream is 1 minute behind, that's not right. That's not right, chat. You got problems with your internet. hit the refresh button. Make sure you're refreshing because we are live on the BDH. We are live at the BDH right now, 9:03 in the morning. UAE sends emergency alert for potential missile threats. Uh-oh. Lazaro said, honestly, yesterday was the first time trading with you. And for the people that does not know you, is going to be hard to learn. My 2 cents. Well, thank you, Lazaros. Because I don't really give a fuck. This guy. Maybe I don't want him to know me. Maybe I don't want people to know who I am. Maybe. The stream should not be behind. What are you guys talking about? It's live. It is literally live. The stream is not behind. Refresh your stream. Look at the, you can look at the minute clock. Look at the 1 minute clock on the candle. Right? This 1 minute candle is about to close. It's 9:04:55. So I don't know what y'all talking about. There's no lag. Y'all be lagging. There's a time at the bottom. What do you think? PW, can I compete in all 3 qualifiers in the Arena Cup or only one? So, yeah, there might be a little bit of delay, you know. I mean, that happens. It's not like I can't stop the overall just internet delay, bro. Yeah, 5 seconds, 3 seconds. How is Warbucks doing? Warbucks is doing great. We're killing it. We're paying more traders than ever. More traders are signing up to trade stocks with Warbucks, BTC.com. That's right. You can trade with Warbucks, BTC.com. We got stocks. We got it all. That's right. For as little as 36 bucks, start trading with Warbucks, BTC. All right, Nasdaq right back up here again, 800 holding. We're getting ready for market open. We got about 24 minutes, 24 minutes, 24 minutes. Little pump again. Little pump again. Little pumpity pump. Juneberry. Yeah, I think this is Juneberry. Sea blue. Sea blue. Sea blue. Bee blue. Kudos for getting up 3 hours earlier California time to do the stream. I mean, hey man, money don't sleep. Money don't sleep, chat. It don't sleep. That's right. That's right. It don't sleep. So I'm gonna try to make some when I can. Nick McGuire says, "Nice house, PW. Question: when you rent like that, do you write it all off?" I mean, let's, you know, I don't want to give away all my secrets, but if you know what I mean. Reed Mitchell, RS Mitchell said, I used to trade the 930. Oh, wow. Congratulations. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know, chat. All right. We're getting ready here. Market open up. Plenty of time. Plenty of time here still. Being patient. Just trying to make a little bit of money. Little bit of money. I want to make a little bit of money. Did you say money? I said money. Right now, just need to see, I think, I basically want to, like, you got to get back above 900 here to kind of invalidate head and shoulders, and then looking for, you know, 2,800 up there maybe, right? That would be ideal. I mean, right now it's like we got this Friday high area that we'd want to kind of get the price action back above strong. So I don't know. That's my theory, chat. That's my theory, if you know what I mean. La la la. All right. Focus, people, focus. We're focused here. We got no time for no fuckery today. That's right, NinjaTrader Arena Cup. It's going down. I'm trying to get all the BDH members in there. I'm trying to stack the roster, all right? If we can stack the roster, get 1,000, get 10,000 BDH traders in the contest, then our odds of winning will be that much bigger. So we need to show the world, chat. If you're even, if there's even a possibility that you might make a little bit of money, join up. It's free to enter. That's right, the NinjaTrader World Battle Arena Cup, the BDH, the Nasdaq. We're doing it live. We got $5,000 grand prize, over $20,000 being paid out to the top 130 finishers. Again, this is free to enter. You got 3 different qualifiers that you can sign up for, different dates to start trading at, but the next one starts 15 days from now, and we've got 1,400 people signed up. Let's get at least 2,000 signed up here, guys. Come on. We got to get at least 2,000. It's big. This is the biggest news. It's free, by the way. Like, why would you not sign? You'd be silly to not sign up, honestly. Be absolutely Sunni. Be absolutely Sunni. Is PW the owner of Warbucks? I cannot say, but I cannot deny. I'm not like the full owner. I'm like a partner owner in Warbucks, if that makes sense. I'm basically like a super affiliate, meaning that instead of getting paid a commission, I get paid as a partner, which was kind of my goal. I wanted to have equity in the business that I was building. So, yeah, that's what you do, baby. You gotta grow. You gotta grow. You gotta get bigger and bigger and bigger. I need to practice for a little bit. Hold on a second. I need to get this helmet going here. Everything's fine, chat. Everything's fine. I need to practice here. I just need to practice a little bit.
All right, so today we're looking here at the Nasdaq.
Don't worry. I got my little. I can drink my Red Bull. See there? Look at Red Bull there, you know what I mean? Look at this thing.
All right. Getting ready here. Getting ready. Get ready for market open. Man, it's hard. Oh God, it's hard to press the buttons here. All right, looking at the Nasdaq right now. Dude, why is that thing still going? Shut up. Dude, shut up. Oh my God. Oh God. It's going crazy. All right, big news today, my friends. We got big news. We got big news because the DayTrader tournament is going on. You can get the DayTrader tournament. Oh, get out of my mouth. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, DayTrader tournament. It's going down. If you have not already, hit it up. It's hard. But what do I do with my hands? With my hands. We got about 13 minutes here till market opens. 13 minutes. 13 minutes. If you guys have not signed up yet, it's happening. NinjaTrader Arena Cup. The NinjaTrader Arena Cup. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. Sign up today. All right. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We are ready. I gotta wear my protection. I gotta wear my protection, chat, because the market, it's crazy. It's wild. It's crazy. It's wild. Dude. 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 Taking the gloves off, getting serious, don't worry.
excited. Oh God. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. All right, put that back up here. Where now? Dude, this is my new race helmet. Look at this thing. It's brand new, but look at the got little spoiler right here. You know, keeps the wind when you're going. Wee, wee, wee. Guess how much this helmet is. If somebody can guess how much this helmet is, I'll give them a free account. Go in the chat. Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got the price? Do. Oh my Lord. Yeah, I don't know. These are my real special shoes. Look at these little things. Go real wing, 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 wing. It was about $7,500. I saw somebody commented actually pretty close to the fucking price. Somehow they like literally knew the price of it perfectly. Little cheater, pumpkin eater. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd that guy go? I saw somebody wrote like 7,600. This guy right here, Supai. Denny, we got a winner right there in the chat. Supai. Take a screenshot of that name, Supai, Denny. Give him a free account. It's Denny's fault if you don't get it. Supai. How'd you know, Supai? How are you so smart? Fucking AI. We got AI in the chat. We got an AI in the chat. Someone says Supai not with Rips. What? Is Supai a Rips follower? Are we taking away Rips followers daily? I mean, look at the numbers, chat. The numbers don't lie. Last night you said it was 7K. Yeah, it's literally 7,500. I'll pull the fucking price up. What do you want me to do? I'll pull the price up. You want me to pull the price up? I'll pull it up. I will pull the fucking price up, guys. Watch this. I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up. I will pull it up. I'll pull it up. All right, we still got plenty of time here till market opens. Right now, the Nasdaq just flat going across the board here. So, well, not flat, but we had a big move overnight, big move down, right back to the middle of this range from Friday. So, we'll see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. Somebody said gap down at open. I can see it coming. Well, okay. Well, don't worry, by the way, chat. You can sign up for free. It don't cost no money. You can sign up for free at NinjaTrader to win. You can win with NinjaTrader for free. Let's see how many people are signed up right now. We got for qualifier 1, 1,400. We got these are rookie numbers, chat. These are rookie numbers. We got to get those numbers up. Rookie numbers now. Absolute rookie numbers. All right, getting ready for market open. Let's see what happens. Right now, Nasdaq is holding up there, so. There's a link in the chat if you want to sign up for free. The tournament does have a maximum amount of traders who can sign up, so at some point there will no longer be any entry. So, do you have to trade on NinjaTrader? No, you can trade on Tradeovate. You got Tradeovate or NinjaTrader. The login works for either platform. you don't feel like you're experienced, but it's free, guys. You can't lose. You can learn something either way. Even if you're a beginner trader, you can still sign up, try it out, and learn. It's a free account, a free challenge. You know what I mean? Morning, get some good tacos in San Felipe. Well, I'm not. Who's in San Felipe, sir? I'm in the desert. Do you watch the news, Pat? No, I do not watch the news. I am the news, okay? Do they trade with an account they give you? Yes. Ninja Trader will be giving out free accounts for everybody to trade in the tournament, chat. You'll get a free account to trade in the tournament. You're not trading your own capital. It is free. You're getting a free account. Okay? All right. It's free. It's free to sign up. All right, we got plenty of time here till market open. Plenty of time. About 5 minutes. And right now, I think it's pretty clear to see what I'd want to see at open. I want to see a pop through that high. Well, not that high, but that 920 area. Get back above 920s, and then maybe we're going for 28,000 here at open. Will the market go straight up again like Friday? Anything's possible, chat. Anything is possible when you're rocking out with the BDH. When you're with the BDH, you got to know. What do you guys think? Up or down? Up or down? Let's do a poll here. Up or down? Up or down? Poll in the chat right now. Let's see who can win. Up or down? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Am I in Cali now? I'm somewhere. That's for sure. And it ain't Florida. It's cold where I am right now, which is wild. It's cold. So cold. It's cold. Cold like ice. PW, do you want to establish your own news media one day? Yeah, the BDH. The BDH News Network. The BDH News Network. Yeah, buddy. It's going to be the biggest news network in the world. It's going to be huge. Huge. Absolutely huge. All right, so again, we're watching oil, right? Oil had a big pop overnight. That's when Nasdaq sold down. So oil right now pulling back. We want oil below this 100 level. Oil below 100. Nasdaq through the all-time high to the moon. Let's see what happens. Getting ready here. We got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Happy Harry said, hi, I'm from England. I support you for 2 years. Did I get an account? Yes, Happy. We sent you an account. You didn't get it? Happy. We sent an account to your house. You didn't get it in the mail? You didn't get it? Happy, bro. We sent you 2 years ago. 2 years ago, we sent you that free account, bro. Man. Come on, Happy. You got to check your mail, bro. Everybody knows that the free accounts come in the mail. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. We got about 2.5 minutes here till market opens. You haven't gotten it? Yeah, just keep waiting, Happy. Happy, we'll send it again. Just keep checking your mailbox every day, baby. The BDH Network, 24/7 news about Jerome, the little Filipino man, and Big Brawley. Why is Big Brawley going to be in the news? When's Big Brawley going to be in the news, chat? What are you talking about? So right now the poll was very clear. We had the poll, the results. 64% of you said we're going to go up. 34% said we're going to go down. 36%. So that's going to be wild. Will the chat be right? Will the chat be right here? We're going to find out. We got plenty of time. Well, not plenty of time. We got about 1.5 minutes here. Things are going to get wild and things are going to get crazy. Absolutely crazy here at open. That's right. You're doing it live at the BDH. West Coast. West Coast. It's the West Coast BDH. So let's see. I like the longs above 900 area. If this thing starts going straight up, we'll see. We'll see. Gotta get the likes up. Yeah. More likes, more love. We got 733 likes. We gotta get 1,000 likes here before the market opens. You got 1 minute, chat. We got 1 minute. If I don't get 1,000 likes here within the next 1 minute, I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to go do something else. Because I can. All right? I can. I can just turn it off. Walk away. Get out of here. Get gone. Get gone, boy. Here we go. 50 seconds. Count it down with me. 48, 47, 45. I'm just kidding. I wasn't going to count from 50. That'd be crazy. Counting from 50 would be crazy. PW, you need to teach D Money to show his trade bait before entering. Hey, man. You know. Joanna, man. Joanna, man? Joanna who? Joanna, man. All right, we're getting ready. 30 seconds. Count it down with me. 20 seconds. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. Just all in long, maybe. What happened in the Netflix movie? We're working on it, buddy. It don't happen overnight. It don't happen overnight. It don't happen overnight. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Market is open. Little dip. Little dip here. First 1 minute candle of the day. Let's see what happens. I'm holding those lows right now. I'm trying the long. I'm trying the long. Stop below the 40s here. Oh, Lord. It looked aggressive for a minute. Snapped it right back down. Off to a great start here. Don't worry. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. We're looking for a push here through the 900s. Maybe more. Maybe more. Come on, baby girl. Stopped out for now. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding. If this thing pops straight back up, you gotta be kidding me. No way. No way. Straight back up. Are you kidding me right now? This ain't real life. Someone's fucking with me. The market makers are fucking with me. All right, market down there to the 800s. Stuck for now. Let's see what happens. Just holding up here for now. If we keep getting denied below 850, I'll look for a short possibly. I'm gonna try to short here and see if we can't ride this down. Make back that little long there. There's no way we're going to get chopped both ways, right? Right? Not both ways. Put your current ticker on the chart. Josh, we're trading the Nasdaq, bro. That's all it ever is. Like, there's no other tickers. There's only one ticker to trade, and that's the Nasdaq, okay? So, yeah, no, we're trading the Nasdaq, sir. Wow. Really going to get chopped out both ways here. If we break back below 820 again, I'm going to add to the short. Come on. Nope. Wow. How's that possible? Both fucking ways here. Stop down. Okay. Being patient. $840 right now, holding us down. I still like the, if we get back below 820, I'm going to short again, but who knows? I'm going to grab it short again here. Try to short through this 820 break. Break up his 820 area to break through the 800s next. She's looking heavy, but can we go? Stop is above that 840 area, basically. Wow. All right, we're short, looking for this move through the 800s possibly. Retest some of that overnight action down there. Nasdaq just stuck here now. Oh, you son of a bitch. Wow. Both ways just chopped out here. There's no winning here, chat. There's no winning. There's no winning here. Got the range at open here. Oh my Lord. Both ways. That's crazy. Crazy work right now. This is crazy work. It's absolutely crazy work right now. Crazy work. Absolutely crazy work. Just chopping, chopping, chopping. 5-minute chop right now. Crazy work. It's just crazy work. Got to get above this. I thought we'd get above 860s there. Crazy work. Crazy work here. Crazy working. Just stuck here, 820s. Dude. Just stuck here, going nowhere. You gotta love it. Wow. 840s again, bro. This is crazy work. It's crazy working right now. Can we get a push out of here? We can't go lower, so let's see if we can go higher. Crazy working. Crazy working right now. But does that stop at break even and see what happens from here? If we can get up there through the 900s, maybe, you know, 900 maybe. Maybe, I don't know. It's getting stuck right there at the top of that fucking range again. Move us up a little bit. Oh, God. The chop. All right, stopped out there on the last runner. Let's go. Let's go. Nasdaq just holding up here, stuck in the 860s. Couldn't go higher, couldn't go lower, just going nowhere. So, you gotta love that. Just gotta love it, chat. Still kind of holding up here. What's oil doing? Oil kind of stuck. Nasdaq kind of stuck. They're both stuck. Everything's stuck right here, chat. If you guys have not already hit the like button, subscribe button, blow it up. I'm gonna try another long here. See if we can't push out of this range now. Let's see. Man. Right there, back to the EMA again. I'm going to move his stop a little bit. I'm going to try to add right here off this EMA to see if we can get a push back up out of here now. A little push. Break through this 70 level nicely. There we go. I like it. We're pushing. We're pushing real good. There we go. Like I said, off the EMA there. So, should try to break out through this range now. It should. In my Lucid funded accounts, we're up 3,000, 3,400, 3,400 times 5 accounts. Let's go. Ready for my payout. Ready for my payout. Payout, Junior. Nasdaq breaking to the upside here now. Like I said, adding on that pullback into the EMA, selling into that push there again. So let's go, baby. Right now, we've got plenty of places for the Nasdaq to go to the upside. We've got this 920 area, 940, the all-time high 960s. After that, it's 28,000, baby. 28,000 after that. So let's go. Let's go. 880 trying to push. Can she go all the way? All the way? 890s now. The bulls are in control. Pushing, pushing, pushing. That's minis, chat. Minis. We're trading minis here. None of that pussy bullshit. None of that pussy bullshit here, chat. Got none of that pussy bullshit. Well, Nasdaq just continues to get stuck right there at the highs. Trying to see. Bounce right off that EMA again. It's not like a good setup right here. By the way, if you guys are just now tuning in, that's right. We've got the Ninja Trader Arena $5,000 grand prize. Guys, it's free to sign up. You get a free account to trade in the tournament. You don't have to use your own money or anything. It's not like you're not trading your own money, but check it out right now. Ninja Trader, a link in the chat. Sign up. It's only going to be limited amount of traders. You got almost 2,000 traders already signed up, guys. So if you're not signing up today, you might miss out on the spot. All right, so the arena from NinjaTrader, it's going down. Look at this push right now on the Nasdaq. Can we go higher? Can you take me higher? Can you take me higher, Nasdaq? Possibly. Possibly. Five-minute candle trying to push through there. We got a big wick. I'm gonna try. Oh, sorry. Try it with 4. See what happens here. See what happens here. Nope. Denied once again at the top. So we might need to go lower before we go higher again. Ugh. Nasdaq really just chopping around here. The 15-minute range holding us down for now, but I'm gonna try a long right here. Stop below this candle wick. Can we get a push out of here now is the question. Obviously not financial advice. I don't know what I'm doing, chat, but I think that 900 level, we could break it real nicely. Just needs to go, go, go into this 10 o'clock hour. And I'd be looking for like up into here, not towards that 920 area. Yeah, 915 area. It is. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. We need more likes, more subscribers. We got giveaways today, chat. Denny, tell them about the giveaways we got today. We got giveaways. You can sign up today to win, 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 win. Win, 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 chat. Nasdaq just chopping around here at the top of this range, going into the 10 o'clock hour. Can we get a breakout here? Or more chop? Treble, treble. Pulling back here again, and oh, stopped out there. One more time. You gotta love it. Shoo. Just could not get through those highs for now, so gotta be patient. This is going to be this. My stop is going to be the low here. Shit. Shit, you got to be kidding me. Stop is a low of that candle. The fuck? Chat. You can't make this stuff up sometimes. I swear. You can't make it up. Just classic. All right, if we get back above 880, I'm going to jump in again. See if we can't get this push through the opening range. The ES is holding up pretty good. Nasdaq's holding up. Oil's kind of just stuck pulling back, but I like this push higher at some point. Oh, by the way, chat, we got a lot of accounts to give away. We got 20 Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. That's right, 20. We got the link in the chat. Denny just texted me, said he got 20 accounts and even more for later on with D-Money. So if you have not signed up yet, there's a link in the chat. Come on. Come on now. All right, well, Nasdaq is being really stubborn right here. A lot of wicks, a lot of nasty price action. Just can't get out of this range, so straight back down. Straight back down. Oh, man. Look at that dip once again. Guys, what is happening here? All-time high trading, baby. Nasdaq's going nowhere. Do I think a head and shoulders might play out? Maybe. Possibly. Very possible. But, I mean, again, big pushback here on the 5-minute chart. It's hard to be bearish here. Right? I mean, it's hard to be bearish. If this thing gets up there through the 75s, it should try to squeeze. Watch that 70 area. I think we could go up here. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, yeah, I think she's going to go. I think she's going to go, Jet. She wants to go. She wants to go. Just needs to go. Get through this opening range high through the 900s next. 5-minute chart right now, painting the picture. Painting the picture here. 875s. Chop City on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, but it kind of like, look at the wick here on the bottom of this candle. The ES is holding up as well. Need oil to sell down. If oil dumps here, Nasdaq pumps here. See what I did there? If the oil pumps, if the oil dumps, the Nasdaq pumps. Patrick, would you trade this market if you weren't streaming? Yeah. I mean, why not? It's open. Open for business. It's not always good business, but it's open for business. Looking for this push through the 900s possibly. Possibly. You got the 10 o'clock candle about to open here, the hourly candle. See if we can't get up there towards that 920 area here next, chat. There's 10 points through the 75s now. W's in the chat. Still pushing. Look for that break through the 90s there next, and then see if we can't get through 900s. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she's a goer. She's a grower, not a shower. She's a grower, not a shower. We like it. We want some more of it. We're trying to get a little bit of fill here at 900. We'll go above 900 here. Like I said, that 75 level, she goes, we go. She goes, we go. That's W's in the chat. 75 to 900. I'm not good at math, but I think that's 25 points. 25 points there. Well, I got really close to my target there. Denny wants 940. Oh, he's getting greedy. Denny's getting greedy. Denny wants more, he said. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. What are you doing here? All right, if we can't hold 880, I'm gonna get out. I want to hold 880 here, chat. We want to hold 880. Just don't want to give all that back. What the fuck? Oh Lord, bounce off the EMA here. Would this be considered chop? Well, I mean, if this ain't chop, I don't know what is. Oh my God. Right back down again. Fuck me. And the best part is oil selling down too. What the fuck, man? Wow. I moved my stop like an idiot, and now it goes straight back up. Gotta love that. If we break above this candle high, basically back above like the 90s, I'll get long again. But right now, just being patient. Got the 1 hour chart. 1 hour candle just opened, so. Gotta love it. All right, looking for a possible long if we break above this candle high, 88s. Looks like we're gonna get it here. All right, we're long. Same idea, stop below this candle low, and we're targeting 920s being that kind of resistance up there, but we'll see if we can get some follow through here. Wow. Did it. Chopped it right back down. Yeah, I blew a couple evals this morning at open. Don't worry, chat. Everything's going to be okay. We're going to be okay. Daddy's going to be all right. Wow. Just stuck there again, pulling back. Tough. Very tough here. Very tough. Someone said, I told you it will chop. Okay, well, thank you for telling me. Appreciate your support. Do. Oh, man. Stopped out again. Wow. Just one of those days, boys. Just no follow through. Just chop, chop city. Not much really can do here. Haters are going to hate. Players are going to play, really. I mean, that's all you can do. Nasdaq pulled back their 870s again. Right to the middle of the range, just to chop some more here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta love it. Yeah, just gotta love it sometimes. Look at this. Right off the middle of the range again. Pushing again back up 880. Going nowhere quickly. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing it live. We've got the Ninja Trader Arena Cup going down. If you guys have not already signed up, it's free. Free to sign up. Free to subscribe. All that fun stuff. So we got a link in the chat for the giveaways. Link in the chat. Sign up. Well, Nasdaq is being very uncooperative. It's going very uncooperative right now, so we just gonna need to take a little bit of time here. She's going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly. I do think it's gonna go higher, right? I think it's gonna try to go higher here. If we get back above 80s, I'm gonna try a long here again. Someone said it's about to go lower. All right, all right. Fair enough. If it goes up, it goes down. All right, there's the push. Trying to add into this push here. See if we can't go through 27,900 next. Be looking for like 920s here. Is my target. Look at, oh. What in the fuck? You gotta be kidding me. All right, well, that was cool. The market makers are definitely market making. It's crazy. Crazy right now. I don't know what to do. Oh, God, you gotta love it. Oh yeah. Oil just pumped again. Oil's pumping, Nasdaq's dropping. Do we just try to go short here? Just fade ourselves? Or what? Crazy work. Holding up here in the middle of the range. Bulls again pushing. La 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 la. Look at that. Right back up again. You gotta love that. Just gotta love it. I'm gonna try it long again. Fuck it. I don't even care anymore. My life. What is my life like? What is my life? We're just, it's all good. There's no winning today. Just blow every account possible. Blowing every account possible today. I'm trying to do the trifecta today, boys. Blowing accounts with every single prop firm on the market. That's the goal today, baby. We're blowing the accounts with every single prop firm today, okay? Ain't nobody gonna stop us. No way, Jose. No fucking way, Jose. Not today, boys. Not today, boys. Pump it, Nasdaq. Get through there. Let's go. Let's go, Nasdaq. Through the 900s. Looking to take some profit up here. Come on. Give me that 900 break. Tell me that 900 area ain't going to break. If you guys tell me that 900 area ain't going to break, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you, chat. I do not believe you right now. If this 900 area don't break, I do not believe you. Oh my God, no way. No fucking way right now. Yeah, there's 900 break. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I want W's. W's only. There we go. There we go. Taking some profit here. Pushing up through the 900s. W's. I want W's only. I want the W's. I want the W's. I need more W's. W's, W's, W's. WWW. PW, how are you so chill today? I mean, there's really no point to not be chill. If the market, hey, it is what it is. I can't predict it. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if it's going to go up or down. I don't know. Nobody knows. If they're telling you they know, they're just lying to you. So all we can do is just trade what we see and let the haters hate. And that's all I got. I mean, I can't really control anything other than that. So there's not really much else to say. That's all there is. That's all we can say. That's all we can say, chat. All right, we've got this 920 area coming up there next, looking to take some profit for that push to the 920s. We got long down here at the earlier. We're thinking they could get this push. Got a stupid pullback, and then now here's the pop again. So Nasdaq, can we go all-time high once again? We need some boner candles. We need some boner candles. So let's see what happens. Nasdaq just chopping around there, 27,890 area now. This is kind of that resistance that I'm looking at here, right? This from where we dropped at earlier, 6 a.m. when that news came out about Iran. So very choppy price action, not a lot of good movement here. We're just trying to stay alive, to be honest. Just trying to stay alive, man. That's all. That's all we're trying to do. Just trying to stay alive, staying alive. I need to put my helmet back on. I gotta put my helmet back on, chat. This is my Lucid funded account. You can see my Lucid funded account here. We're up $10,000 in this 150K account, trading for 4 days. I've been kind of on the road. I've been trading. There you can see kind of. I'm still long, but I don't know. We'll have to see what happens here. But yeah, there's my Lucid funded account. So we got those 2 days in April. We got these 2 days here. So we're ready for a payout. Lucid, pay me my money. Pay me my money, Lucid. Pay me my money, Lucid. I want my money and I want it now. Denny Jones says, okay, I got out. Okay, Denny Jones, what'd you get out from? From your trade? You got out from the trade, Denny? You got out from the trade? Denny's out, he said. I'm going to just put Denny on the stream for now on. Let Denny trade. You guys should we have Denny hour? What do you think, chat? Should we have Denny to have his own day trading stream on the BDH? You think he's ready for that responsibility? You think Denny's ready for that? You think he's ready? We're going to put Denny on his own stream. I have to warn you, he is bald. He is a little cutie pie though. He's not as cute as me, but he is a cutie pie. Denny live streaming. What time would you like to live stream, Denny? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. Denny said he's handsome bald. Well, I mean, you are pretty good looking, Denny. If I was gay, I would definitely. Never mind. Never mind. What time is the Denny show? What time should we have the Denny show start? What time's the Denny show gonna start? What time should we put Denny on? I know, what time? Tell me the time you want to go on. I'll let you know. You want to go 6 p.m.? You want to be a 6 p.m.? You want to be the 6 p.m. guy? Is there a photo of your face anywhere, Denny? I think Denny's got videos somewhere on YouTube, probably. Right? Don't you have a video on YouTube of you trading, Denny? Probably. Let me see. Let me see if I can find Denny here. Denny Jones. Nope. All right, so Nasdaq just stuck here at the highs. Denny, how do I see a video or a photo of you? We need to show you to the chat. Actually, you're in the fishing video. That's true. Right? You're in the fishing video. Denny is in the fishing video here. I don't know if he's in, like, where is he at? Let's see if we can find Denny. That's not Denny. Where's Denny? That's D-Money. That's Denny right there. Look at him. Behind D-Money. Denny, BDH. Where's Denny at? Denny.
Man, we want to catch a fish, all the bait, everything the gonna happen here.
There's Denny. This is Denny catching a fish. All right, chat. What do you think? Should we put Denny on? Denny on the stream? Is he able? Is he ready? You know, should we have Denny on the stream? Is he BDH material? Is he BDH material? Look at him. He's got some muscles on him. The cool thing about Denny is that he's ex-military. He's a veteran. So, I mean, the one thing that you know about Denny is you're going to get a straight shooter. You know? He's a straight shooter. So, shout out to all the veterans out there. I think we need to put Denny on his own show. Denny for the London session? Maybe. Someone said he's cute. Oh, look at that. See, Denny, they like you. Look at Denny. Look at that beard. Look at the beautifulness that is Denny. We're gonna put Denny. Look, he caught a fish.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah, fish boy. Come on, Denny, fish, little boy. Fish, Denny, fish. Oh, look at that reel. There's Ginger in the background. Ginger is always in the background, back there, trying to get in the video. Trying to get in the video, chat. Just kidding. By the way, we're still long. I know. We like to have fun around here. Look at this. I'm looking for that 920 area, maybe higher, for take some more off up there. All right, so yeah, Denny, I need you to buy a camera. I'll send you the whole setup, because you got to make, if you're gonna live stream, it's got to look exactly like mine. So we'll talk later. We got to get you the right microphone, get you the right camera, get you the right setup. We can't have you looking, you know, like a scrub on the BDH live stream. So coming up, Denny live during the Globex. Globex Denny, they're gonna call him, Mr. Globe, with his bald head. Put Denny on from 4 to 5 p.m. 4 to 5 p.m. But yeah, shout out to Denny. He's one of my favorite people in the world. I'll tell you a funny story about Denny. Let me tell you all a funny story about Denny. You're gonna laugh. This is the kind of person that Denny is, right? He obviously knows I'm a millionaire. He knows that like I've got more money than I could ever, you know, figure out how much money I have. And he's been working for me for a minute now. And he actually used to work for My Fund and Futures. Now he works for us. So Denny started working for me. And it's funny because I do payroll. I don't do it anymore. Ginger does it now. But I used to do the payroll. And I used to, like, I don't know. I'm bad at math. And I would just, like, put people's, you know, whatever I thought that they were getting paid. I would put that in the payroll. And one time I overpaid Denny, which is, you know, whatever. I think it was like $400. I think I overpaid Denny like $400 for that week or whatever it was. And it was hilarious because Denny sent me a message. She's like, hey Patrick, I just got paid and I got overpaid. You know, I got paid extra $400. And I was like, well, shit. I mean, you know, I was like, thanks for telling me. And luckily for you, you get to keep it. So shout out to Denny for being an honest guy. Not many people would do that. You know, most people, they get overpaid and they're not going to tell their boss. But Denny made it a point, right? He made it a point to call me and tell me like, hey, you overpaid me by $400. And I'm like, damn. Shout out to Denny for being a real one, you know? In the military, we fear overpayment. I mean, I don't know exactly the fear there, but shout out to Denny for being honest, you know? So it means a lot. I know it doesn't mean a lot. I know like it doesn't seem like a big deal, but I think the biggest thing in this world is when you hire employees or you have people that work for you. It's not even that I look at Denny like an employee, but when you hire people to work for you, you obviously want people that you can trust, right? And that's like the biggest thing, because you know, especially for me, like I said, I've got just stuff laying all over the house. There's fucking Pokemon cards and money and all kinds of crazy stuff going on, and you got to trust the people that you're counting on. You got to trust it, you know. Denny said that because they'll take your whole paycheck back to get your money. Damn, that's fucked up. Yeah, so shout out to, no, that was not Ginger's fault. That was my fault. I was doing the payroll at the time, so. Oh my God, Nasdaq right back down here again. Come on, chat. What is this? Can we not get a pump? Can we not get a pump? God. Terrible. No pump today. Just stuck. You overpaid D-Money as well before? Really? D-Money never called me. He didn't call to tell me. Wait a second. Did I overpay D-Money one time? He never called me to tell me that. Uh-oh. Awkward. PW, when is Denny gonna get a G-Wagon? See, I don't think Denny would even want a G-Wagon, to be honest. I mean, I don't want to speak for him, but knowing Denny, I don't think he would want a G-Wagon. He'd be like, nah, just give me like a nice minivan for my family and my kids, and I'll buy a little boat or something, you know? Yeah, he got a Suburban. Denny'd be like, I need that minivan for my kids. I need that minivan for my kids. You know, D-Money, he trying to get a girlfriend. You know, he out there in that G-Wagon driving around trying to get a girlfriend. Where, you know, D-Money, Denny, he got a family. He's a family man. Though, Denny would definitely be a Corvette guy. 100%. Denny's going to pull up in his New Balances in his fucking t-shirt that says America on it, and he's gonna drive that Corvette like the best of the best, okay? I know that for a fact. Denny. Denny, do we got giveaways or what, man? The chat is getting ruthless right now. They want giveaways, Denny. Give them something. Denny, give them something. Oh, Denny wears Nike. Oh, man. He got the Air Monarchs. I guarantee it. Then he got the Air Monarchs. The white ones that all the dads wear. But yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool to have Denny come on for 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, like, if Denny went from like 6 o'clock to like 9 o'clock Eastern, that'd be, I think, a pretty good time. Nasdaq just stuck here at the 900, so I feel like every time I put my stop out, I just get stopped. So let's see what happens, but just cannot get through there for now. By the way, if you guys are just now tuning in, don't be afraid. We got the 250K Arena Cup qualifier. Guys, I'm telling you, this is going to fill up quick. There's 2,300 people signed up now. 2,300. It's going to max out. It's free to sign up, right? You don't have to be the best trader in the world to end up in the top 130, right? There's a lot of opportunity here. You can win cash prizes, sharpen your skills, and trade for free. Again, it's free to sign up. So don't be that guy that be like, but Patrick, you never told me. Oh, I told you, son. I told you. I told you to sign up. But you didn't. Someone said, yo, let's make some money. Let's go, baby. Where's D-Money at? D-Money will be live at 12 o'clock today, guys. 12 o'clock, he'll be live from the BDH. I'm out in California right now. You can see behind me. Got a new setup. What do you think? Cool background, bad background? I mean, you got to give me props, right? I come out to California. I put together this amazing background, the lighting, the colors. I mean, come on. Come on, chat. There's people out there streaming who stream for a year straight and their camera looks like shit. Their lighting looks like shit. Their microphone shit. It's all a bunch of shit. Not me, baby. Not me. That's not me, baby. Did I move to California? No, I did not move to California. I'm just out here visiting. 27,890 pulling back here again. Looks like my stop is going to get taken. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We're in California, out in the middle of the desert, out near Johnson Valley, Yucca Valley. This market is shit. I agree. It is absolute poo-poo. Absolute poo-poo here. It just won't go. It just won't go, chat. What's oil doing? Oil dropped and then it popped and oh my god. Yeah, they're gonna get my stop loss again. God damn it. Again, man. What a shitty trade. Stupid trade. I'm gonna move his stops. Well, never mind. All right, we're out. God. Just rolled right over there on me. All right, Nasdaq pulling back to the middle of the range again. You gotta love it. PW, what are your thoughts on peptides? I don't really have any thoughts on peptides, to be honest. I do not have any thoughts on peptides. Show today's losses, Patrick. Yeah, I mean, I'd show them, but I don't know. Show them. We're up over $15,000 in my Lucid funded accounts today. We're up over $10,000. So, I mean, I showed all the trades live this morning. So I'm not hiding the fact that I blew some evals at open. That's not the, I don't know what people are, I mean, I showed it all live. So what do you want me to do? Head and shoulders on the 1 minute, maybe. Is this the correct one? Yeah, 250K Arena Cup qualifier. Yes. I lost 5 evals. I was copy trading, so it's all good. You got to make a tweet about it. Yeah. Let everybody know. Hey, everybody, I lost some money. I lost some evals. Bro, you're an absolute degen like me. I don't think so. Long live Spy, but whatever you want to say. Hey, whatever you got to tell yourself, you know. I see the haters are out strong today. I see they're out strong today. Look at this. Fuck me, dude. What a joke. Got stopped out there and then look, straight back up again. You got to love it. It's comedy. It's fucking comedy, boys. I'm hitting it again. I'm fucking hitting it again. We're hitting it long again. I'm tired of this bullshit. Tired of it. Yeah, for everybody who thinks that D-Money would be cooking right now, y'all be cracked out. It's crazy. Crazy how many people be worried about me. Be crazy about people. People be crazy out here. Be worried, Patrick. Y'all know D-Money used to watch me live on YouTube for long before I ever even knew who D-Money was. I don't know why people think that I learned from D-Money. Look, it's going back up. Who would have thought? Hey, I want W's in the chat. I want to be like D-Money. W's. Hit that like button, chat. Hit that like button. We need 5,000 likes here on the stream. Where you at, D-Money? Where you at, D-Money? Oh, man. Where's he at? Make no mistake about it. God damn it. This market is fucked. All right, so the ES broke out. The Nasdaq did not break out yet. What does this mean? I don't know. I have no idea. You sound like you're jealous. Yes, I'm jealous of the guy that live streams whenever I'm not live streaming. Guys, you don't understand how jealous I am. You don't understand. I'm jealous. I'm jealous of the guy that works when I'm not working. God, how can I gotta get rid of him. I gotta work more. Look at the 15-minute. It's comforting. Okay, let me look. I mean, it's a big old bull flag here on the 15-minute chart, right? So. Josh said, Patrick, get out. No, I'm scared, Josh. $15-minute candle just opened, pushed right back up. We've got plenty of room to the upside. I mean, this overnight high is all the way up there. All-time high is 27,969, yeah, 60, 70 area. Can it get there? Someone in the chat said they're short the Nasdaq, and they're expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. Uh-oh. He put the exclamation mark as well. This is not good, chat. We might be having a big crash coming. Get ready. I don't know how we're all going to do this. I don't know how we're going to do this, chat. What are we going to do? Big sharp pullback. Big sharp pullback. Trung 8637, you're a boss. Doesn't mean you're better than your employees. Oh, I'm better, Trung. If my employees were better than me, I'd be working for them. Very simple. It's not fucking, it's not, there's no argument. There's no, you know what I mean? There is zero argument there. The facts are the facts. I love D-Money. I do, but at the end of the day, I'm better. I'm a better trader all day, every day. Everyone knows that. There's a reason. Like I said, I'm not even trying to be mean. It's just the truth. It's not about being better than my employees. It's about knowing that I've put in the work. I put in the time. I built a fucking empire. I built an empire to the point that I'm able to have employees. Think about that, right? Very simple. It's not, there's nothing else to say about it. It's not an argument. It's not even a question. The question is simple. I'm the biggest. I'm the largest. Thank you very much. Come again. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your support. Simple. Someone said, I'm just milking my viewers. I mean, the last time I checked, ain't nobody ever been forced to watch me. And also, guys, I don't see nobody paying me to watch. So I don't know how the fuck I'm milking anybody, you dumb. People are insane. It's insanity. Like, why, what's the argument here? Like, why are people always trying to like fucking create drama for nothing? Like, oh, Patrick, you're not better than your employees. Oh, I am. I'm 100% better. That's why I'm the boss. Welcome to reality. This ain't the fucking participation awards. It's called either you make money or you don't. It's that simple. It's called reality. We work in a real, I live in a reality. It's not about fucking kumbaya and let's all fucking hold hands and sing fucking kumbaya. No, I'm better. I'm the biggest. I'm the largest. I built a fucking empire, right? I built a fucking empire. It's facts. Welcome to the fucking real world, chat. D-Money knows that. Everybody that works for me knows that. I tell them, this ain't me being rude. They just know. They're like, damn, PW is built different. He's different. He's fucking different. Look, it's going up again. Where's the guy that said, get out, Patrick? It's going to dump. Classic. God. Insanity. It's still going up, by the way. But yeah, it's crazy. I love people like, you're just milking your viewers. I mean, okay. Everyone's getting milked here. Give me your money, everybody. Sign up for this free NinjaTrader Arena Cup. It's free. Just it's free, guys. You got to get milked some more. Get milked. Y'all got to get milked. By the way, we got the giveaway winners going across the top for those free accounts that we're giving away today. We gave away free accounts, but hey, we just milking everybody over here. A lot of milking going on. Little milky milk. We milking everybody. The milk is real. Everybody's getting milk today, boys. Come on, where are the milkers at? I need to get a little milky milk. The global summary. I want to make something very clear. I'm not actually triggered, guys. It's a show. We're having fun. I'm laughing. I'm a millionaire. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not ever actually mad. I think people think that I'm actually mad, but like, we're just having fun. We're just, you know, like, literally, it's part of the show. I think people don't understand that this is a show, right? We're live on YouTube. It's fun. We're not, like, I'm not serious. Like, I'm not actually serious. I'm kind of serious, but I'm not serious. Like, I'm not actually mad right now, right? Like, I could go into my bedroom right now and go grab some big titties and have sex with my girlfriend, and then I get out of this, and then I'm gonna go drive a trophy truck. Like, I'm not mad. Who's mad? I'm not mad. Don't forget, chat, that you guys are watching me live on YouTube, right? Like, I'm not mad. I'm winning. I'm winning, chat. Don't forget that. I'm winning, because here I am. I'm winning. All right, Nasdaq almost up there through the 920s now. This is exactly what we were looking for earlier. I might take a little off right here just to get it, and then let these last 4 contracts ride. So let's see what happens. My favorite is when people, you know, people be like, Patrick, you're so worried about the haters. I'm not. It's like, I'm just like, it's part of the show, right? Like, it makes good comedy, right? Like, I like to make fun of people. Like, I like to go in the chat and be like, where's the guy? There was a guy that said he was really short. Where'd he go? Probably gone now. Damn it. There was a guy who said he was heavy short. We're looking for a big pullback. And he was short from the 880s. So what's that guy talking about? He's making fun of me because I have 8 employees. I made over $16 million last year. Like, literally, I made over $16 million last year, chat. We're with 8 employees. Like, do the math on that. That's a really good business. 16 million. My total expense, you know, what are my expenses? What's my payroll expenses? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You retards. You always know when the retards are in the chat because they start, Patrick, you got 8 employees and you rent a house. Yeah, I rent a house. Learn how to learn about math. Why? Think about it, guys. I'm in California, right, for 3 or 4 months, whatever it is. Why the fuck am I gonna buy a house in California? Why? Why would I do that? It makes no sense. Come on, y'all. It's a bunch of poor people in the chat. I can't help it. Greetings from Germany. Did you say why you're selling the boats? Just because they're brand new and I have no reason to keep them. Some guy in the chat said I rent my own house from my LLC. I mean, that's the way to do it, my friend. Don't be stupid. Be smart. Yes, I'm selling my boats. I already sold the 32. I'm building trophy trucks right now. I've got 3 trophy trucks. I'm building a trophy truck racing empire. An empire. I mean, I always love the fact that like people in the chat trying to give me advice. Like, if you ain't making over $1 million a month, don't give me no advice. You know what I mean? Don't try to give me advice. Don't give me advice. Come on. I don't need it. Thank you though, but I don't need it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't need your advice. So, you know, let's just avoid it. We can just avoid it. You know? Look at that. Up there to the 940s now. We love to see it. Still going higher. Let this thing fucking ride, boys. Let it ride. Where are my haters at now? They ain't nowhere. That's over 50 points. I want W's in the chat. I want W's in the chat. You tell D Money to let you make the money like this. You tell D Money to make you make the money like this. Okay, you tell D Money to make you make the money like this. Where's D Money at? WWWs. WWWs. Oh, here we go. Denny calling out 940 now. Denny's calling out the levels now, chat. Watch out. We got giveaways going across the top here. That's right. NinjaTrader Arena Cup. You can sign up. It's free to sign up. Chat, you'd be crazy not to sign up. Honestly, look at this. It's free to sign up. You got money on the line. You got $5,000 for the top grand prize. You got $20,000 prize pool. This is $20,000 prize pool with cash payouts for the top 130 finishers. 130. You don't have to be number one to win. It's free, by the way, guys. It's absolutely free. I don't know how there's not 10,000 people signed up for this right now. How is there not 10,000 people signed up? Coming soon. Oh, we broke the website. Oh god. Oh yeah. Look at that. 2,400 people sign up. We got to get more. There's got to be like 5,000 people sign up. Come on. It's free to sign up. It's free to sign up. It's NinjaTrader, the biggest, the largest. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing up here. Can we go higher? Can we go a little bit higher? You know, can we go a little bit higher? I gotta go pee. Hold on. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? Can we trade the NQ in the Ninja Trade Arena? Yeah, bro. What the fuck are you talking about? What are you talking about? That was the fastest piss ever. I mean, I'm pretty good at peeing, bro. What can I say? I'm pretty good at peeing. I'm pretty good at peeing. If you know what I mean. Yeah. I put a little vlog up yesterday. If you guys have not checked it out, check it out. A little vlog. It's short, it's sweet. I'm doing a new series. I gotta actually be filming this right now, actually. I forgot about my vlog series. Gotta get my vlog ready for today. Need a memory card's already in there. Good to go. Good to go, Billy. Little willy nilly. Gotta get my vlog camera set up here. Oh yeah. Close it in, check it out. Alright. Missing something. I'm missing something here. Hold on a second. Something's missing. Don't you worry, don't you worry. We found it. We're good, we're good. We're live. California right now. Look at my background. This thing is, dude, we got the fucking the R34. I got one of those, by the way. I own one of those. We got the little Pokemon. We got the little Yoshi back here. What you doing? Little Yoshi back there. We got my racing helmets. We got America. Mr. America over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a little Warbucks love as well. It's happening. We're doing it live. So I'm gonna set up my. I got this trade going right now. We're live here trading on the Nasdaq up to the 930s now. I think we could go for all-time high break. All-time high break? What do you think, chat? All-time high break? I think so. She wants to. She needs to. She wants to. She wants to. She needs to. Need some better music. Not that one. Better music. I need better music. Midnight Velocity. All right, I gotta do this real quick. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning, West Coast. Almost 11 o'clock on the East Coast. Almost 9 o'clock on the West Coast. But man, I love this. I love waking up early and trading. Like, I don't know about you guys, but waking up early trading and then being done for the day, that's amazing. It's absolutely amazing for me. It's absolutely amazing. It's my favorite. It's my absolute favorite. All right, so we got my little vlog camera set up here for today. We'll do a little video here. Yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck? Full frame, baby. No, not full frame. This frame, widescreen. All right. All right. We are live this morning in California. We've got a trade going right now. We're live. Look at this. We got over 5,000 people watching right now. We're in California, and it is currently 7:52 in the morning, and we're gonna get done here soon. We're trying to make a little bit more money. We're doing it live on YouTube. We got thousands of people watching. Look at the chat. They're going crazy. So many people, so little time. The biggest and the largest. It's a reason that we're the biggest and largest because we do it like this. Look at this. Look at this. The sun's just coming out here. Another boring vlog. Let's get into it. You like that? You guys just saw my my intro for the boring vlog, day number 2, whatever you call it. So, oh yeah, by the way, we're still long. Don't worry. Don't worry. My glasses, they're called the, I don't know what they're called. I don't know, Oakley something Oakley. Like really dirty right now too. Really dirty right now. What's my Oh, buddy. I ordered some Wagyu steak last night. Wagyu New York strips. Buddy. We're gonna get real nice. We're gonna get some real nice Wagyu. Oakley is for poor people. Thank you. Highway to Vision. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking you're a terrible person. All right, I think you're probably just like lonely. You probably got a fight. You probably got a fat wife. You know, you're just miserable, right? You're miserable. You're a miserable person. So Let me go ahead and just put you in the VIP room for life, you little miserable cunt. Patrick, Oakley's are for poor people. I mean, whatever, bro. Haters are gonna hate. But guess what? Guess what? Is this for poor people? Is this for poor people? Is this for poor people? A $200,000 watch? Get the fuck out of here. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I just want you to know that you're my baby girl. Exactly. Exactly. What can I say? What can I say? The biggest, the largest for a reason, gent. All right, by the way, we're up big right now. We're up 50 points. Up 50 points. Is it a plastic watch? Yeah, it's an Audemars Piguet. Okay? It's an Audemars Piguet. All right, you need to relax, chat. You need to relax. It's an Audemars Piguet. All right, get on my level. I want you to sit the fuck down. I want you to sit the fuck down. Get on my level. Get on my level. Look. Look at it. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think broken. That's my watch, okay? As you can see, here's my watch. That's the watch on the screen. Ta-da. And look at the price. Oh my God. Yeah, my watch is worth more than your everything. Look at this. It's la 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 la. Right now, the Nasdaq trying to push up here. What will happen? We're long. We're strong. We're looking for a little bit more, though. I'm going to move my stop now to the bottom of this candle. We can't hold that 920 level. Probably pull back here some more, but trying to see if we can't get up there into this area next, right? 960s or more. Never mind. Never mind. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh man. You gotta love it. Catson and some guy in the chat he's talking about his dad right now. He just says that his dad have 10 Richard Millies. Bro, will you get the fuck out? That's a ban for life. That is literally, you're getting banned for life, bro. Your dad, you're talking about your dad? That's like, what a weird. Hey guys, my dad has $1 million. Yeah, my dad has $1 million. My daddy has $1 million, Patrick. How much do you have? My dad. Get the fuck out of it. We got no time for that bullshit. Get out of here. All right, well, I mean, fuck. Nasdaq right back down from the highs. You gotta love it. It's gonna be one of those days where it's just a pump, a dump, a pump, a dump, a pump, and a dump, and a dump. So. You gotta love it. Yeah, one time I was in Hawaii. One time, and this kid was like being a retard driving his little dirt bike around, and I was like, hey bro, relax, relax with your dirt bike, bro, like in my neighborhood. And the kid was like, bro, do you know who my dad is? That's what he said to me. He said, do you know who my dad is? And I said, oh, let me guess. Your dad's some big bad motherfucker and you think he's gonna come beat me up because I said that you're being an idiot riding your dirt bike in the middle of the street. Yeah. And the kid was like, what? I'm like, yeah, go tell your dad. Go tell your dad how he feels about his son riding the dirt bike in the middle of the fucking street being an idiot. Go tell your dad. The best part is he went and told his dad, and his dad got mad, and his dad actually told me, he's like, hey man, sorry about my son, he's an idiot. I said, oh, no worries. So, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. My dad, you know who my dad, like, God, get out of here. Get out of here. Look at this pump right now, right back up again. Is this another long opportunity? Hard to say. Hard to say. By the way, look at this thing still dumping again. This might be a good time to go sign up if you haven't already. Go sign up if you haven't already for the Ninja Trader Arena Cup. It's happening. It's going down. You got a lot of money. This qualifier features $20,000 prize pool with cash payouts for the top 130 finishers. There's 3 qualifiers. We got 2475 right now. 2,475 traders signed up. We need more. We got to get at least 5,000 people signed up for this tournament, chat. Come on. It's free to sign up. It's free to sign up. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here. Pretty decent pullback. So I'm flat right now. I got out of that trade. No reason to stay in that trade. Look at this thing. She's going down like Charlie Brown. If we dump all the way to the 800s, I might look for like a dip. A dip. Like if it just keeps going, like if we kind of go all the way down through 820 area, I might look for a long opportunity. I guess oil right now, you can see oil is pumping. Oil's pumping. Nasdaq's pulling back there. So it looks like must be some news related to Middle East or Iran or who the fuck knows. Look at this. Oh my, why did I not buy the dip? Should have bought the dip. That was 40 points off that dip right there. Wow. Shoo. Right back up again. You gotta love it. These dips. You gotta love these dips, man. Is Trump talking? I don't know. That'd be news to me. I'm kind of tempted to maybe get long here again. See how this candle closes. UAE responding to a missile is the news. It's no longer about technical analysis. It's all about the news. Whoops, I did not mean to get long right there, but I'm long. I just pressed the button on accident. See if we can go like a quick 10, 15 points here. Oh yeah, perfect. I like that. From the 95s back at their 902s, quick little scalp. Quick little scalp there. Quick little scalp there. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Dude, what? It's crazy time. Right back up again. Just does not want to, no need to scalp. It's going to 28,000. All right. Sounds good. Thank you for your idea. I'm kind of watching here for maybe another long. I would like to see a wick down into this area first, though. And see what happens. Nishi Pishi, promise? Question mark? I don't know. I don't know. There's that little wick I wanted to see, but let's see how this candle closes. We want to see like a wick right back up and then close above 900, right? To show some strength there. Right now, a little bit more of a pullback. So let's see. We got that wick 86 level, maybe 880s. Just try to bounce, but she's wicking right now. Can we get that candle to flip back up here? You got 15 seconds left on that 1 minute candle, but just not really getting that reaction. Not getting the reaction here yet. So wait for the wick. Wait for the wicky wick. All right. James says that trading is getting easier and easier. He thinks that he's on to something. Let's go, James. Let's go, James. Bear flag breakout. I wouldn't get too confident in that just yet. Yeah, look at the bigger time frame here. Bigger time frame, things are still pointing up for now. So, good time to be patient here. It's 11 o'clock, chat. It's 11 o'clock. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. How old am I? 37, baby. 37 years old. All right, more pullback. More pullback. We got a bit of a doji here on the 15-minute candle, but I think this could try to get pushing back out of here. $37, yo. Did you have kids? Yeah, I have a 14-year-old. Where you been at, bro? Where you been? Other than ETFs, where would you start to invest? I don't really. There's no reason really to invest anything other than ETFs, honestly. QQQ and the SPY, baby. QQQ SPY for the moon. All right, there's that 900 retest. See if this candle is going to wick down and then push through 900 here for a long. If we get a wick down and then a push right back up, I'm looking for a long. But see how we just got like denied right there and went right back down? No reason to get long here yet. Basically, you want to see a wick here and then a push back above 900, and then we get long. What is the minimal capital if you want to start trading? Well, don't worry, my friend. The NinjaTrader Cup is free to enter, no capital needed. NinjaTrader will give you an account to trade for the tournament, and you can start trading today. Well, start trading during the tournament in 15 days, 14 days. What is your time frame? 1 minute. Why long? I mean, 15-minute chart right now, just kind of holding up there. This 5-minute candle don't look too bad, right? I mean, that's what I'm looking at. I might be wrong, but I might be right as well. See, once again, trying to push up here. I want to see a little bit more of a push. It's the 9 EMA is the blue chart, blue line on the chart. 9 EMA. How long did it take you to get profitable trading, PW? I'm still not profitable. 10 years later, still trying to figure it out. Still trying to figure it out, man. All right, you can see why we did not enter right there, because there was really no wick on the bottom of that 1 minute candle. So that was like, that kind of tells you that there could be a trap here, right? That could be a little trap. And that's exactly what it ended up doing, kind of trapping there. So sir, I believe we're going back up. All right, John Sanders. Sounds good, my friend. Sounds good, my friend. The good thing is we got plenty of time to be patient here. Be patient. We got D-Money coming up later on. D-Money. For the guy in the chat asking about my course, I think it's $19, or is it back to $199? Yeah, it's $19 right now. My course is $19. I know, it's crazy. There's a link there in the chat if you want to buy the course. $19.99. Learn how to be a full degenerate like me. Nasdaq's still pulling back, so like I said, no reason to get long until something makes us look to get long. I don't like the shorts until basically I would say I really wouldn't be looking for a short until we break to the downside here, push back up, and then go one of those. This market's been very, you know, pull back, rip, and all that, so. Big up from Nairobi, Kenya. Bro, we're live in Nairobi. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Worldwide, baby. Worldwide. Worldwide. Patrick, have you been watching the NHL playoffs? No, bro. No, bro. I have not been watching NHL playoffs. PW, be honest. How does your course help a trader? I mean, I don't know. Anybody in the chat bought my course before? Anybody else bought the course? Would you say that for $19 it hurts you or it helped you? I don't know. I won't, you know. I won't toot my own horn. Someone said hurt me. You get out of here. You just been milked. I milked you, okay? I mean, the course is basically just everything that we talk about here on the live stream, but just, you know. So, yeah, it looks like the chat is happy with the course. I don't know. Haters are going to hate, players are going to players. All right, Nasdaq just stuck here below this EMA for now. Will your course work in Asia? I mean, it works on any, it doesn't matter what time of the day. You're just trading bull flags and bear flags. Patrick, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? A billionaire. A billionaire. I have bigger plans than people really know. I'm not going to share my plans because, well, I don't want people to know. But let's just say, if I'm not a billionaire in the next 5 years, I'd be surprised. I'd be surprised. Patrick, have you ever had an office job? No, sir. No. Do I look like someone who could work in an office? You think they can put me in an office? Come on now. No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. There's a link in the chat there for the course if you want it. If you don't, I don't really give a fuck. Don't sit here and be like, your course is a waste of money. Okay, hey man. You do you, I'll do me, baby. All right, so far, Nasdaq just kind of grinding back down here now. Trouble. Trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. How's Cali? Is it raining? It does look like it might rain today, actually. All right, Nasdaq still just dipping. Trouble here. Trouble bubble. Bubble trouble. ES is pulling back. Nasdaq's pulling back. We've got oil making new high, not really new highs, but trying to break out here for the actual session highs, kind of for the New York session making new highs. So trouble. Patrick, how did you start trading? Honestly, just started doing it one day. I know that sounds silly, but that's really the only way that you can start trading. You know, you just got to start. It's not really like, I don't know, there's no easy way to do it, really. You just have to start trading. That's all there really is. So all right, Nasdaq back down there, 850s again. A little bounce here. Patrick, what is your trading strategy? Buy high, sell low. Works every time. PW, my dream is to develop and implement homes that recycle water, and when the tech is ready, energy. Bro, that's a losing business right there, my friend. That's a don't ever try to make anything that recycles. Just, you want to make money on the money. You know what I mean? You want to make money, make money. Patrick, you ever caught any Alua? North Shore? No, never. Forget trading and just become a trading affiliate and be funny to get the views. I doubt it, but yeah, maybe. You never know. Patrick, I want to buy an old Miller's I worked at and then turn it into a strip club. Hey, man. I like it. Big dreams. Big dreams. Big boobies. Big dreams. Big movies, big dreams. Someone said they want to be a #1 wholesaler of foot-long corn dogs. I mean, is there a lot of competition out there? Is that a competitive market? Is that a lot of competition out there? All right, Nasdaq just continuing to sell here. Down. Periscope. Uh-oh. Something's in trouble. I still like the idea if we dump right through the opening range low. I kind of like the long idea. Like, I would try a bounce play off that 800 level if we get down there. It's actually a big business. There is an entire website of competing hot dog salesmen. That's interesting. Did not know that. Did not know that. All right, do we dip? Do we dip? Putting a little order out here. Down into this level. See if we get a little swipey swipe, you know what I mean? A little swipe. A little swipey swipe for a bounce off that 800 level. If you have not signed up, if you haven't signed up for the Ninja Trader tournament, guys, it's going down. It's going down. You got 2,600 people. They're going to be 3,000 signed up pretty soon. So you do not want to miss out on this. You do not want to miss out on this. I'm telling you. Get in on that. Get in on that, chat. Nasdaq still pulling back here. Come on, give me that. I want to dump straight through 800s and then try to get a bounce. Uh-oh. There's the fill. All right, let's see if we can get a bounce back up here now. Oh, Lord. Straight down. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Just looking for a quick little bounce back up above 800 here. Three missiles from Iran intercepted. Oh, man. Oh, man. You said shorts and enter long? No? I said I was looking for a long off the 800 area. I never said shorts. Trying to add right here. Still just straight down. Oh, Lord. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. No bounce. Gotta love it. Wow. Not good. Wow. Straight down. Fucking A. How do we get no bounce at all right there? She gone. Almost. How the fuck am I supposed to know that Iran is going to start shooting missiles off, you know? I don't got no information on Iran shooting missiles. Do you do? I don't do nothing. I got no information on that. How the fuck am I supposed to know? I got no idea. Can we get a V out of this? I don't know. Trying, but she's gonna be tight. She got to push. Trouble bubble. Blue line of resistance now. You gotta love it. Market is stuck right there, that blue line. No bueno. No good. No good. No bueno. These are minis. Trading minis right now. Yeah. Get back above the 760 level. Should try to push towards the 800s again. Maybe. Maybe. Can we push? Nice little pushback up here. Can we get through this 80 level back up there towards the 800s? I like the people in the chat that are like, thank you for showing us how to gamble. I mean, I had a plan. I said exactly what I wanted to do. I mean, I'm just a guy on the internet. I'm not claiming to have any fucking gifted strategy other than just buy low, sell high. I mean, I don't know, guys. I'm apologies. Like, people always like try to get all butthurt. They're like, oh, all you do is gamble. I mean, all right, man, life's a gamble. I don't really know what else do you want from me. I'm not like claiming that oh, hey, everybody, take every single trade I take, make $1 million. I've never said that. You know, so I don't know. It's just trading, you know, like we're trading, man. I'm just a guy on the internet trading. That's literally all I'm doing. I'm just a guy on the internet out here trading, man. Honestly. So how did I know that level would be a bounce? I mean, I didn't know, to be honest. I just kind of been playing this has been the pattern today, right? The pattern has been basically dump, pump, dump, pump kind of thing. So I don't know. At least, hey, you know, I do feel at least some type of good feeling about the fact that, like, hey, I'm showing it. I'm showing my entries. I'm showing my exits. I can't guarantee it's going to always work, but at least I'm showing it. I'm not afraid to show you guys I can have a losing trade. I'm not afraid. I'll show that. So that's at least the one thing about me when you're watching. You're like, well, at least, hey, at least he's showing it. I mean, would you, I guess the question is, would the chat rather me just not put trades on and then just call out and say like, oh guys, look, maybe it's going to dump, maybe it's going to pump, you know, like I could just sit here all day long and just draw lines on the chart and be like, look, 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 you know, I could just do that all day and never trade if you want. That might be more educational, I guess. I don't know. I think this is the most educational that you can get, really, you know. I don't know. So. All right, I'm just going to get out there, just kind of stalling out for now, so. So. I don't know. And you know, I'll tell you a fact, right? I'll tell you a fact that no one else talks about. I'll turn the music off for this one because they don't talk about this, but I know for a fact, right? Like I see the numbers, I see the stats, I know what people are doing. Different prop firms. I own a prop firm. I know, right? Like I really do. I know what's going on behind the scenes. And it's funny because a lot of the payouts that you see, when you see, let's say, an ICT trader, you see an order flow trader, you know, these big name influencers that get big payouts. Well, the thing that people don't know is that their guru, their influencer or whatever, you know, the person that they emulate, those people are not getting big payouts from trading ICT or from trading order flow or from trading really any strategy. You know, the big influencers that get big payouts, they're just YOLOing, right? They're just all in all the time. They're getting the big payouts. They're showing it. And then they're selling you a $5,000 course. But the funny thing is they don't actually trade the way that they teach people to trade, right? They don't do it. And there is a reason that they don't show their trades live, right? They don't show their trades live because they don't actually trade the way that they trade. So I know that for a fact because I've seen, you know, the big name traders. I've seen how they actually trade. And I'm telling you right now, they do not follow whatever strategy or whatever bullshit they're teaching you. It's 100% true. And you can say that I'm lying all you want, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to name names, but I pretty much will tell you that some of the biggest apex payouts from influencers that got big $1 million payouts, well, let's just say they were not following a actual profitable strategy, if that makes sense. So putting that out there. Obviously Nasdaq is having trouble getting back up here. We can see you're looking a little heavy. Looking a little heavy. Maybe it's a nice little short here setting up. Right, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Well, no, I'm just saying that like a lot of people out there, they peddle courses and they peddle strategies, and then they claim that they get big payouts following those strategies, but they don't actually, you know, that's like the truth of it. Nasdaq pushing back up here at 760. Someone said I sound tired. I mean, yeah, I don't know. As a prop firm owner, can you share the stats about payout rates, blown accounts? I mean, there's a stat that you have less than 1% chance to get a second payout. Like less than 1% of traders get 2 payouts from one prop firm. You know, like from one account, like back to back. I'm gonna try a short here, looking a little weak. See if we can't sell through 720s and then try to make a little dippity dip through 700s next. What time frame is my favorite? Probably the 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart right now. We're looking here. We got this low from the overnight, right? This is that low. So we're kind of seeing if we'll play this out as a bear flag. Yeah, I mean, if you've gotten a payout, right? Like if you've gotten 2 payouts from one prop firm from the same account, you're doing better than 99% of traders out there. So congratulations. Who in the chat has gotten more than 2 payouts from one account? Like not like you know, hey, you got a payout and then you blew it up, but like one account. How many people have done that? Let's see. Oh, man, look at that. We got the 1% in the chat. We got the 1% in the chat right now. Let's go. 1%ers. We got 1%ers in the chat. Wow, Nasdaq, little pump right back up. You got to love it. They're holding these lows again. Just see if this is like going to be a spot to add or what. Let's try to add there. See what happens. Can we get this rollover? We want it to stay basically below this EMA closing. By the way, right now, if you have not signed up, NinjaTrader Arena Cup, it's going down, guys. It's free to sign up. It is free to sign up. We're trading futures here. Somebody asked, what are we doing? We're trading futures. God. Little double bottom down there. Motherfuckers. Still struggling to get above that EMA for now, but going into obviously noon here sooner than later, so this market's so cooked. God. Gotta love it. Nasdaq still kind of holding up down here. Got to see what happens. I think if we break back below 740 again, I'm going to grab it short. The market makers are taking my stops. I know, man. I know. They're getting me. Now it's going to roll. Watch this 740 area. We lose 740. I'm grabbing it short again. That overnight low, we're still far, not far, but we're still like 100 points away from that overnight low right now. All right. Trying to short here again. We're going to try to short into this heavy and see if we can't get a dump through these lows now. Looking for 700 to break. Need 700 to break here. Targeting that overnight low now. Oh, look at that. There's 15 points for you. The guy in the chat said we were going up. I guess we're going down first. When's the next vlog coming? Well, today. Boring Vlog episode 2. Well, we got real fucking close to my target there. Am I streaming in Asia? You never know. It just depends on how I'm feeling, to be honest. Fucking A. This chop right now. Wow. Look how close we got to my target and then just bounce right back up. You gotta love it. Might just jump out here because it's right back up here again. I'm gonna jump out. This should try to push back up now, to be honest. Back above 740. Let's see if we get a little pop back up here. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock here. 12 o'clock, D-Money show live from the BDH. I'm out on the West Coast, but D-Money's still back on the East Coast. We'll be hanging out with you guys for Power Hour and all that fun stuff. Oh, my Lord. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Chop, chop city here. All right. Let's see if we can push out of this now. I got my stop right below the low of this candle. See if we can't get back up into this area now. The reason that I switched from obviously the short to the long is we had that bear flag. We got right below 700 and then popped right back up. So that's kind of like an invalidated bear flag. Could push us back up into here, you know. It's kind of the idea. Again, guys, I have no idea what this market's going to do. I think people, like, everybody wants like a finite answer. 100%. You know, oh, Patrick, you don't know where the market's going to go. I mean, nobody does. We're doing this live, by the way, too. So, you know, in hindsight, it's much easier to make a video, you know, at the end of the day and be like, look, guys, look. All you had to do was short here, cover here. Genius, right? Everybody's a fucking genius in hindsight. All these idiots out there making recap videos. Today's recap, I want to show you guys how you could have made a lot of money. You could have made a lot of money trading today. All you had to do was go short here and cover here. It was too easy, guys. Buy my course, Learn to Trade Today. Right? Learn to trade today. Yeah, the recap videos are so fucking dumb. It does no good for you guys. Oh my lord. Depending on how I might jump back in if this candle breaks like this little thing right there, right? So if we break over this little candle high, I'm looking to get in again for a push towards that 800 one more time. 5-minute candle looks pretty good. It's a battle down here. They couldn't go lower, so you know what that means. Could go higher. If you guys are excited for D-Money, don't be afraid. He'll be here sooner than later. 12 o'clock live. D-Money coming to you. Coming to you live. Coming to you live. All right, I like this long above 760 to see if we can't push out of this area, but just waiting. 5-minute candle kind of is, you know, showing a little bit of strength there. 15-minute candle. You got wick on the bottom of those last two 15-minute candles. This 15-minute candle right now, no wick. So will this body turn into a wick and then propel us back up? Got to see. Some guy just said, so you're saying, you said I don't know what the market is going to do, so you're just guessing? Yes, exactly. I mean, that's welcome to trading. Nobody's not guessing. There is, you know what I mean? Like, there's not one trader on this fucking planet who is not guessing. It's all guessing, my friend. We're just guessing. If I put on a long right now, there is no, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't mean that there's a higher chance it's going to go up or the higher chance it's going to go down. I mean, the trade is a trade. So I mean, all we're trying to do is we're trying to find an area that we guess it might be an opportunity to get, you know, to go up or go down based on the trade. So that's all it is. This is looking kind of heavy now, but still waiting. We're going into this 11:50 to 12 o'clock little area here. Could be some volatility going into the London close. But I mean, even today, right? If you look at it, I had about a 50% trade, 50% win rate in these accounts. I mean, it's just kind of how it is, right? Like, largest winning trade 1,000, largest losing trade 800, average losing trade 379, average winning trade 500. I mean, that's all it is. This is trading, guys. That is all this is. You just literally put on a trade. You put your, bank holiday in London. Sorry, yeah, never mind. Yeah, so welcome to trading. I don't want people to think that there's like a strategy that's 100%, because there's not. Like, you're kidding yourself. There is no strategy that's 100%. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, make sure you blow it up. We got D-Money coming up soon. We got the NinjaTrader Arena Cup. Guys, it's free, by the way. It's free to sign up for the NinjaTrader Cup. We got more giveaways coming up later on with D-Money as well. So right now, Nasdaq just moving on back down. Moving on back down. We got to see what happens here. We'll see how it happens. No strategy can be 100%. You can definitely have better than 50% though. Yeah. I mean, but that's the thing. Some days you're 50%, some days you're 100%. It doesn't mean that you're, a bad trader or a good trader. I've had plenty of days where I haven't lost one trade. And then I have days where I'm 50-50. And then I've had days where I'm 0%. I mean, that's the market, So that is just the market. Is this going to break 700? Let's try a quick short for a 700 break. Go for 10 points. 10 points to end the stream here. Come on. Oh. You son of a bitch. Wow. Man, that was fun. We're all in. Long now for the pump. How did we just pump straight up there? Couldn't even make it up if I tried. Oh my lord, it's over. Good way to end the stream here. Good way to end the stream. Should have stuck with the long idea. Just keep adding. All good, chat. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. How did we go straight up? That's crazy. 60 points straight back up. When in doubt, add more. Amen, brother. Amen, brother. Trying to get this pump back up here towards that 800 level, possibly. It's the 11:50 to 12 o'clock. I said it. I said it before it happened. Look at it now. If you just did the opposite today, you would have crushed it. I mean, not really. If I had done the opposite today, I would have lost a lot more. Hard to say, really. But this is that 15-minute candle playing out right now, so gotta love that. I talked about this idea, right? Those 15-minute candles, wick, wick, wick. You can see how we wicked straight back up again. So if they can get it back up, this candle right now, trying to push above that 760 area. We'll see. Pumping it, pumping it. Pumping it, pumping it. Yeah, that 15-minute candle really showed us the wick there again. Bang, baby. Big wick on that 15-minute candle right now. Big wick. Can it go higher, though? La 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 la. Trouble. Trouble. We got D-Money coming up in 4 minutes. D-Money in 4 minutes. If you guys have not already signed up, the Arena Cup, it's happening. Tell NinjaTrader I sent you. Link in the chat. There's a link in the chat. Link in the chat. Let's go, baby. Just doesn't want to go. Just doesn't want to go. We gotta push right here. We gotta push right here. I'm just gonna get out. I'm getting out. I gotta get signed off here soon. It might push up. I think if it gets back above 760, 780s, there she goes. Look at that. Straight back up. Gotta love it. PW, why does your trade put up a few thousand, but your highest trade is a lot lower? We're trading multiple accounts, chat. We're trading multiple accounts. Copy trading. It's called copy trading. So, copy trading. Copy. In my Lucid funded account today, we're up 3,000 times 5 accounts. We got 5 accounts Lucid. You can see here, I'll show you the actual stats on these accounts. Nah, won't go that long. Go this quarter maybe. All right, there's, so yeah, 58% consistency, or 58% profitability in these accounts. The markets has been very choppy, to be honest. It's been very choppy. It has not been, ideal for my kind of trading. We got $925, largest losing trade. Largest winning trade, $1,700. My average losing trade is 138. My average winning trade, 278. So, yeah, I mean, kind of is what it is, to be honest. It's not always a straight line. So these Lucid accounts, they are ready for a payout. They're ready for a payout. Why don't you move your stop up so when you're profitable so much? I don't know, man. It's an entertainment. We're trading. I mean, guys, just enjoy the show. Right? Just enjoy this show. I don't know what else to say to you. I'm sorry. I know that I don't do everything exactly how you want me to do. But, just trying to have some fun. So there it is. D-Money's coming up soon. If you guys have not already signed up for the NinjaTrader Cup, we got more giveaways, more action, more fun coming up with D-Money later on today. So make sure you tune in for that. And I'll see you guys when I see you. Peace to the Middle East.